October 27, 2015, there was a wreck, an automobile accident at or near 2nd and L Street. Occupants of that, one of those vehicles, law enforcement believes, had some guns and or drugs, which they exited the accident scene and hid near that location. Unfortunately for Mr. Mays, that location was near his residence of 2417 2nd Street. Curtis Jackson, along with Mr. Hardy and others, went to Mr. Mays' residence in an effort to retrieve or find those guns and or drugs and or other property that was dropped from the occupants of the vehicle. After a brief conversation with Mr. Mays, several people opened fire, killing Mr. Mays. Law enforcement recovered multiple shell casings, including .380. And that becomes important because Mr. Jackson, Your Honor, stayed on scene, provided information to law enforcement that Mr. Hardy was one of the shooters, one of the multiple shooters. Law enforcement made contact at Mr. Hardy's residence and in his bedroom recovered multiple rounds of ammunition, including .380. In addition to that, subsequently, Mr. Hardy voluntarily came down to the Detective Bureau, gave a statement where he admitted, Your Honor, to being a shooter. He admitted to having a .380 and firing a .380 at the murder scene.